Y'all better watch this video, I swear to God. I like how I'm threatening you that you need to watch this video, but if no one watches this video, then who am I threatening? Literally no one. Okay. Woo! Whoa. Woo! Ooh. I don't want to sound like a shady bitch. Very nice.
It's very nice.
Yes! Yes! Perhaps. Again, perhaps, y'all. Let me say for all people in the back, perhaps. Woo! My eyeballs are feeling raw. They do be hurting, though. They do be. Dooby-dooby-doo, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? You got somewhere to go now. Bow, 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 bow. Where in the heck are my makeup wipes? God son of a bitch. You goddamn son of a bitch. Ba-dum-bum, yeah. Whoa. Woo. Amazing grace. That was beautiful. That was truly, truly magnificent. It's weird. It's weird. So y'all better like this video. I swear to God, y'all better like it. Okay? I said, do you wanna fight me?
Do you wanna catch his hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. Don't with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Ooh.
I am looking a whole damn mess. I am not looking cute, and I don't know who to frickin' sue about this.
Somebody lied to her several times and told her that she was fly, hot, and sexy and beautiful, and she's nothing like that. She's nothing of the sort.
God, Deborah, what's wrong with you? Certainly not. No. Oh my gosh, Gizzy. He's eating napkins on the floor, everyone. Oh, he's so cute though. Hey, bud. Hey. Woo!
Whoa.
Woo!
Whoa.
Woo!
Whoa.
Woo!
Whoa.
Bum, 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 bum. The coyotes are coming to fuck your butt. Stay tuned and subscribe, or else the coyotes will come to fuck your butts. I was like, I'm gonna do so watches in this video, and it's gonna be so much easier than doing a whole look. It's just gonna be so easy. And yeah, it is easy, but it also freaking hurts, okay? It hurts. I'm not even gonna give a shoot about it. Or, I'm not gonna give a hoot about it. Why did you have to phrase it that way, Deborah? Honest to God. Oh, bitch. Yeah! Because my eyelids, they beat in pain, y'all. They beat in pain. I am so sorry to disappoint you. You are a cocoa nut. I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the street. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass. I think I got all the words out of my mouth that I truly needed to get out. Let's just wrap this bitch up, okay? You're sick of watching. I'm sick of being here. We're both sick of it, okay? We're goddamn sick of it. Ba-dip, ba-dip, ba-dip. That's all, folks.